Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your platform mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your platform mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in platform mortgage login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The official page of Platform Mortgage will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right side of the page. On the next page, enter your username and tap on Next. Tick mark on the box that says Remember my username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember any of the credentials, tap on Forgotten Login Details option. On the next page, enter your platform mortgage login credentials, and that's how you'll be able to log into your platform mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.